Hello students, good morning all of you. Today I Rabindra Mohan Misra from Sri Jagdamba Sanskrit College Batho am taking the class of Shastri second. We are facing severe disease corona. We make separation from one another. For this, according to the provision, we are interlinked with one another by online classes. Today we are learning basic grammar. In it we are discussing about parts of speech. What is parts of speech? A speech simply means saying something details in a topic or in a subject. And parts means kinds. In Hindi it is called ang. Here parts of a speech basically means भाषण का अंग in Hindi. According to me, there are many parts which act according to their own nature and importance in a sentence, thus collectively called parts of a speech. बहुत सारे भाग जो अपने प्रकृति और महत्व के अनुसार एक वाक्य में भूमिका अदा करता है, उसे हम सामूहिक रूप से पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच कहते हैं. What are kinds of parts of speech? In modern grammar, there are two kinds of parts of speech: formal and structural. What is formal? The word which gives the form of a sentence is called formal. For example, Ram is a good boy. जो शब्द वाक्य को खाका प्रदान करता है उसे हम फॉर्मल कहते हैं. What are kinds of formal? There are four kinds of formal: noun, adjective, verb and adverb. Now, what is a structural? A word which gives the structure or shape of a sentence is called a structural. For instances, he is a boy. वह एक लड़का है. Here he implies for any particular noun that is not given here. That is why he is here acts as a structure for a formal. जो शब्द वाक्य को संरचना प्रदान करता है उसे हम स्ट्रक्चरल कहते हैं. Structural is dependent on formal always. In other words, we can say formal is independent but structural is dependent on formal. In Hindi we can say formal स्वतंत्र होता है जबकि स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्मल पर निर्भर करता है. What are kinds of structural? There are four kinds of structural: pronoun, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. All these four dependent on either noun or pronoun or adjective or verb and adverb, but noun is noun, adjective, verb and adverb are not dependent on these four. In traditional grammar, parts of a speech are basically divided are of 8 kinds. On the whole, modern also gives us the idea to tell us about 8, but basically these 4 and 4 are not of the same, both are different from one another. That is why modern is basically